For today's response to reading, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Yesterday, we read the book, Ruth and the Green Book. One thing that we talked about was Floyd Cooper's illustrations. We also discussed why he chose to show such emotion in his illustration on the faces of his characters. We came up with 4 different emotions on 4 different pages in the book. On this page, we saw the emotion worried. So for here, you're going to click and type one sentence. How can you tell that the characters in this illustration are worried? For this one, you need to answer the question with one sentence. How can you tell the characters in this illustration are cheerful? In the bottom here, we're looking at this picture, this illustration. We want you to write one sentence. How can you tell that this character is discouraged? And the very last one, how can you tell the character in this illustration is surprised? Make sure you write one sentence in each of these white boxes depending on what emotion they are showing. Worried, cheerful, discouraged, and surprised. Check for punctuation, grammar, and spelling before you click Submit Assignment to your teacher.